Now we have paragraph styles and character styles that can be used to format the text on our page. While we could manually select the text and apply the styles, it's more efficient when we have a regular and recurring pattern of how these styles are applied to nest our styles. This makes applying the styles much more efficient because multiple styles can be applied all at one time. So we're going to go back to our paragraph styles panel, and our prices are included with the style that we're going to use for our food items. So to edit the food item style, we're going to right-click on food item and choose Edit Food Item. We're going to go to the Drop Caps and Nested Styles tab. Here we see options for drop caps at the top and nested styles here in the middle. We're going to click the button for New Nested Style, and we're going to keep this style as none. We do not want to apply a character style for the beginning of our paragraphs. So we're going to choose none, and we're going to do through one and click where it says words, and in the drop down choose tab characters. So no character styles will be applied through the first tab character within our text. We're going to click New Nested Style and choose $sign through one character. Lastly, we're going to choose the character style price and do this through one words. With this, we're going to go ahead and click OK to save and close the style.